Hey there, future homeowners. Imagine owning a modern, sustainable, and affordable home for under $100,000. Sounds impossible, right? Well, thanks to 3D printing technology, it's now a reality. Today, we're exploring 5 amazing 3D printed houses you can get for under $100K, plus their pros and cons. Let's dive in. Imagine not just dreaming about your perfect home, but watching it being built in days, not months. Welcome to the 3D printed housing revolution. Today, I'm walking you through 5 mind-blowing 3D printed homes, all under $100,000. Spoiler alert, they're awesome. Let's jump in. First up, we've got the Curve Appeal by Icon. Please click the subscribe button. This beauty's got more curves than a roller coaster. That sounds like a fascinating and innovative home. Icon has been making waves in the housing industry with its 3D printed homes, and Curve Appeal is a great example of how technology can create affordable, sustainable, and stylish living spaces. Key features of Curve Appeal by Icon. Size, 600 SQFT design, unique curved architecture, maximizing space and aesthetics. Materials, energy efficient, durable, and resilient to extreme weather. Cost, estimated at $80,000, making it more affordable than traditional homes. Sustainability, uses less waste, fewer materials, and a faster build time. Would you like to include this in a video or blog post about 3D printed homes? I can help you craft a script or article. At 600 square feet and only $80,000, it's sleek, modern, and eco-friendly. This sleek, modern home is designed for city dwellers who want affordable urban housing. It features multifunctional furniture and high ceilings to create an open feel. Advantages: affordable city living, stylish smart space use. Disadvantages: small space, not ideal for large families. Built faster than you can binge watch a season on Netflix, 24 hours, folks. Eco-friendly materials mean you can feel good about saving the planet. Customizable designs. Want a pink house? Go for it. Size matters, and this one's cozy. Might need some extra permits because it's so futuristic. Moving on, let's check out the EcoPod by PrefabHomes. This 400 square foot gem is like a high-tech treehouse for adults. The EcoPod by PrefabHomes is an impressive step towards self-sufficient, off-grid living. Designed for those who want a sustainable and independent lifestyle, this 400 square foot home integrates cutting-edge technology to reduce reliance on external utilities. Key features of the EcoPod by PrefabHomes. Size, 400 SQ. Fed energy, fully powered by solar panels, making it 100% off-grid. Water system, comes with a built-in water filtration and recycling system. Smart tech, AI-driven climate control for optimal heating and cooling efficiency. Mobility, can be placed in remote locations without needing traditional infrastructure. Price, $95,000, making it a premium yet sustainable tiny home option. The EcoPod is ideal for minimalist living, eco-conscious homeowners, or digital nomads looking to escape city life. Would you like a comparison between EcoPod and other self-sustaining homes for a video or article? Fully off-grid with solar panels and a water filtration system. It's priced at $95,000. Solar panels mean you can tell your electric bill, see ya never. Portable. Yes, you can take it with you. Minimal environmental footprint. You're basically a superhero. Space is tight, perfect for introverts or minimalists. Higher upfront costs due to all the tech wizardry. Next in line, the Delta by SQ4D. This one's for those who like things big. The Delta by SQ4D is a game changer in affordable, large-scale 3D printed housing. As one of the largest 3D printed homes available under $100,000, it offers a spacious, durable, and cost-effective living solution. Key features of the Delta by SQ4D. Size, 1,300 SQ/FT, making it a full-sized home rather than a tiny house. Technology, built using SQ4D's Autonomous Robotic Construction System, ARCS, which speeds up construction and reduces labor costs. Durability, made from concrete, ensuring strength, longevity, and energy efficiency. Affordability, originally priced at $100,000, but available for as low as $99,000, making it an affordable alternative to traditional housing. Eco-friendly, uses less waste and fewer resources than conventional building methods. The Delta home is ideal for first-time homeowners, sustainable living advocates, and those looking for a low-maintenance, cost-efficient house. Would you like to include this in a 3D printed home comparison video or an article on affordable housing solutions? At 1,300 square feet and just under $100K, it's spacious and traditional. Roomy enough for a family of 4 or a crazy cat lady. Built like a tank with reinforced materials. Bang for your buck in terms of size. Takes a bit longer to build. Patience is a virtue. Traditional means less design flexibility. Fourth, we've got the Tiny by Mighty buildings. This 350 square foot marvel is priced at $75,000 and is perfect for the minimalist in you. The Tiny by Mighty Buildings is a sleek and modern prefab tiny home designed for those who love minimalist living without sacrificing style or technology. Key features of the Tiny by Mighty Buildings: size 350 SQ, making it ideal for small space living. Design: modern angular architecture with a small patio for outdoor relaxation. Materials: made from sustainable 3D printed composite panels offering durability and energy efficiency. Smart home features: integrated automation for lighting, security, and climate control. Affordability: priced at $75,000, making it a stylish and cost-effective home option. This home is perfect for minimalists, remote workers, or anyone looking for an affordable yet high-tech tiny home. Would you like to create a video comparing the best tiny homes under $100,000? Affordable and low maintenance. More time for hobbies. Built in weeks, blink and it's done. Ideal for city living or backyard escapes. Storage? What storage? Zoning laws might give you the side-eye. Last but not least, meet the Gaia by Wasp. If eco-friendly is your middle name, this 300 square foot cutie made from clay and straw is your dream home at just $50,000. Super affordable, like really affordable. The Gaia by Wasp is a pioneering eco-friendly home built using natural, biodegradable materials like clay and straw. Designed for sustainability and affordability, it's an excellent choice for off-grid and environmentally conscious living. Key features of the Gaia by Wasp: size 300 SQ FT, offering a cozy yet functional space. Materials: made from 100% natural and locally sourced materials, including clay, straw, and rice husks. Construction method: built using 3D printing technology, reducing waste and environmental impact. Energy efficiency: natural insulation provides excellent temperature regulation, minimizing energy use. Affordability: priced at just $50,000, making sustainable housing more accessible. The Gaia home is perfect for eco-conscious buyers, off-grid enthusiasts, and those looking for a low-impact lifestyle. Would you like to include it in a video on the most sustainable tiny homes, or an article on affordable eco-housing solutions? Made from renewable materials, Mother Earth approves. Perfect for rural living or eco-villages? Harsh weather? Maybe not your best friend. Urban living might be a challenge, so there you have it. 5 incredible 3D printed homes, each with its quirks and perks. Whether you're dreaming of an eco-friendly retreat or a high-tech hideaway, there's a 3D printed home out there for you. The future of housing is here, folks. What are you waiting for? From sleek modern designs to eco-friendly retreats, these 5 3D printed homes prove that affordable housing can be innovative, sustainable, and stylish. Whether you're a minimalist, a family, or an eco-warrior, there's a 3D printed home under $100,000 for you. The future of housing is here. What will you build? Catch you on the flip side. End of script. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.